Welcome fellas into this new video of the Express. Today I'm going to be showing you a really easily solution, a really easily tutorial of how you can add a payment icon displayed below the buy it now, as you can see in here. But in this case it's a little bit above of the add to cart, but in this case you can just move it like this and it should be appearing directly here into your buy button, right? Really great tutorial. So to get started, the first thing is to understand maybe why you wanted to make this process, why would you like to make the purchase, and to add this directly into your store. So basically here, displaying the payment icons below the buy it now can increase the customer trust by showing accepted payments method up front. It also improves conversion rates by reassuring customers about secure transactions and provide clear and immediate information about availability payment options. So the first method is to use a theme settings. So some Shopify themes have built-in settings to display payment icons. So to make sure how it looks your store, focus into your dashboard. Then I'm going to focus into my home dashboard and go directly into my theme or my online store, then theme, and hit into the option that says customized. Then let's navigate to the option here it says home page and click into product default product. This is my product page settings, for example. So here into my product page, I'm going to focus into the option that says settings, which is theme settings. And then I want to look out for options related into payment actions that appears here. For example, we have the card, I have the search behavior, social media, about information, batches, drop downs, buttons, bearing peels, product cards, collections, containers, and much more. In this case, I believe that this theme does not have this support in media, so I believe that we don't have the availability around that. But just in case, you can focus into your sections and you want to go directly into, for example, here, my footer. Usually your footer has this option to activate the payment method icons. So in this case, I can just disable it or enable it and automatically should be appearing in here. And depending on what is the actual payment method that you chose, it should be appearing, for example, PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and so much more. So the second method is to use the theme editor code, which in this case, we are already inside here. So when you are already here into the default product, choose product, default product, and you can see that we have this template. So into this template, I'm going to delete this custom liquids. Into this template, you have the product information. And you can see that we have the quantity, the show, 100% original, add to cart, and buy it now. So here I have my buy buttons. So I wanted to add a new block just below the buy buttons. And here what I'm going to be doing here is just to add a new code. So in this case, let's say for example, I go for custom liquid. So here is custom liquid. So down here from the custom liquid, I'm going to click into my custom liquid and just type a word. So make sure that this one is now appearing just below the buy it now button. Then I'm going to open a new tab and I'm going to go for ChatGPT. ChatGPT can be helping me a lot with this coding, specifically if you don't know absolutely anything about coding or into Shopify. So just explain ChatGPT what you want. Let's say give me a CSS code to add a payment icons below my buy buttons. Really important to specify that we are inside of Shopify. Then it's going to give me a simple CSS code snippet to add my payment icons below my buttons. And you can see here's add payment icons below my buttons, product content displayed, hide background, and that will be actually it. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste my code. Now usually this kind of codes give us a few instructions. For example, here it says to change the image URL to any custom payment icon image you want. So for this, I'm going to open a new tab. Now let's say payment icons PNG files. And you can see that we have a lot of payment icons here. So I can choose, for example, maybe this. Really important that has no background. So otherwise it will be looking not that great. So I have this URL, copy URL. I go back and into this URL file, I'm going to just select it and paste it. And just go back, select it back, go back directly here, and where it says make sure the class product form buttons matches the button section in your theme. If not, you might need to inspect your page and replace it with the character selector. And there you go. Basically, that will be actually it. Even you can ask the Shopify or the ChatGPT to give you a new code to change the height, the width, the font, the size, and you can just change it so far. So make sure that you have used the right CSS, otherwise it's going to be looking like this. But you wanted to aim for something like this. And there you have it, guys. So just in case you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools how to get started with your Shopify store coding elements. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. See you next time.